Robopolitics is an increasingly used term to describe the impact of technology on politics. Technology is changing not only the way we live, but also how our country is governed. Robopolitics is a combination of artificial intelligence, big data, and blockchain that are transforming politics, making it more transparent, efficient, and accessible. For example, AI technologies can analyze massive amounts of data to identify trends and patterns that can be used to influence policy. Blockchains, on the other hand, can ensure the transparency and security of elections, making the electoral process more reliable. In the future, robopolitics may even influence the creation of public policies, thanks to the data collected and analyzed in real time. This in turn will lead to more personalized policies, based on the needs and wishes of the population. Robopolitics is also leading to greater citizen participation, thanks to social media and online platforms. This is making politics more accessible to everyone, not just a select few. In summary, robopolitics is changing politics forever, making it more transparent, efficient, and accessible. In the future, we will see how technology further affects politics and how technology itself will be affected by political choices.